Hey guys, welcome back to Vex Off-Road. Today we're going to fix the coilover spring that broke on the Jeep last time we were out wheeling. Well, we finally took some damage. Check this out. I lost a coilover spring. If you didn't catch that one, go back. It's 2 videos ago. You'll see I broke the lower coilover spring on the King coilovers that are in the back of this. Today is mid-30s and raining, so we're gonna try and get this done in my storage unit. We'll see if I get kicked out of here because I'm sure you're probably not supposed to be working on stuff. So I went ahead and I warmed the Jeep up. I drove it around a little bit to try and get some warmth in here because it's cold and it's wet. So bear with me. I just went and bought a new GoPro light because the only light in this unit is that little LED one up there, and I forgot to bring any of my bigger lights. So see what we can do. Stay tuned. All right, so I'm gonna leave the key on and the heat blowing for a minute because there's a little bit of warmth coming out of there. I got a coolant temp of 180 degrees. So hopefully that'll keep us a little bit warm in here, get the temperature up, you know, to a human level here. Climb under here. It's pretty dark under here without this light, but you can see right there, she's busted. So just gotta undo this bolt here. Obviously jack it up and everything. I'm gonna have to loosen that preload adjuster to get everything off. Kind of wanted to switch it out with this side, but I don't think I feel like doing that. And on this side, it looks like it took a little damage, so it'll probably take a while to get that to slip out of there because there's little spacers in there, but let's get to work. Harbor Freight Pro Eagle knockoff here. Good. Jack stand under here. That'll do it. Alright, I hope I welded those on good so it doesn't crush me. That'd be unfortunate. Check them stands. Yeah, sure. Work. And if it kills me, no one knows I'm here, so I'll just rot forever. So my goal here is to get all the pressure off of those coilovers, which doesn't look like it's going to happen with the wheels on. See what the old Milwaukee's got. I guess I could have washed this thing, huh? Oops. How's it look to you boys? Good? Yeah, sure. Got this side. Yeah, right. Busted, huh? Real busted. trick is, oh, you see that? To get the bolt loose by jacking it up and dropping it down a little bit. Ratchets are not hammers. Take care of your tools. And they will take care of you. Alright, so the little spacers I was talking about. If you've never had a pair of coilovers or King coilovers, they're pretty much all the same, but normally you would undo the adjuster up here to make it a little bit looser, but obviously we're having a little bit of a preload issue here. So you just pop this collar up, slide this off of here, and out comes your spring. Then what you're going to want to do is go on polyperformance.com, get yourself a nice new spring. Shout out to Poly Performance for the full MSRP sponsorship on this bad boy. As you can see, there's a little bit of a height difference there. So it's all bound up. Let me see if I can get it apart for you guys. Oh, 3 pieces, huh? Look at that. 3 pieces it broke into here. Kind of looks like it might have been coming apart for a minute. See just that last little bit there. I don't know if it's in focus for you. It was hanging on, but the rest is rusty. You just have that on them big jobs. Let's see if we can get this spring in here without having to touch that preload nut, because it sure is a pain. And if you're asking yourself why everything under here looks so dirty and ugly, it's because I live in New Jersey. And if you've ever been to the Northeast, you'll know. And if you live out west where they don't salt the roads with 10 pounds of salt per square inch, I envy you and hate you at the same time. Trying to scratch our new unit here. Where would you like to be? How about now? Yep. So I'm gonna have to loosen that top collar, because if you look right here, I don't have enough room to get that bad boy on. So here comes the struggle. What size do you think that is up there? 3/16? Hey, good call. Thanks, guys. Thanks for the help on that one. And I didn't bring a tape measure, so we're just gonna have to guess to get it back in the same spot. My favorite thing to do. How's your day going so far? Good? Are you laying on the floor of a storage unit in 30-degree weather? Because you don't own a garage because New Jersey housing prices are out of control? Oh no? You're sitting on your couch? I got you. Must be nice. Alright. Let's screw this up here. Hopefully one day I'll have videos for you guys in my own garage. Is that good enough yet? Jeez. So needy. Oh, let's see. Maybe? What do you guys think? I hate it here. Should probably just be taking these all the way off and getting them rebuilt, but you know, worry about that next time. Hoping this summer I can get this thing stretched if I can find the time. Want to do an 8-inch stretch on this bad boy. If I don't end up buying a house, I'd like to go out to Trail Hero at the end of October. So if any of you guys are out there, let me know. Look at that. Like a glove. Incredible. Alright, now we gotta screw that collar all the way back down to match the preload. Yay. Can we do this by hand? About half a turn. Love it. Love to see it. Should probably be wearing gloves, huh? Water dripping in my face. Man. Things I do for you guys. All 261 of you. One of you guys just unfollowed me. That's hurtful and uncalled for. All I try to do is bring you guys good content, you know? It's not appreciated. I don't know what all that noise is, but I hope it's not the Jeep coming down on me. That'd be unfortunate. You know, there's a correct tool for this. I don't have it. Oh my gosh, are we there yet? How we looking? Let's get the eye chronometer out here. Hey, it might be it. It might do it. I'm imagining this side's gonna sit a little bit higher with this new spring on it. Holy moly. Let's see. I think that's it, boys. Oops. Oh my gosh, my phone stopped beeping for 3 seconds. You guys can enjoy this video. Oop. Careful. How many of you are gonna tell me I'm doing something wrong? Comment down below if you think I'm doing something wrong. I'd love to hear about it. Let's get this back in place here, shall we? And we can get the F out of here. Turn a little bit. Yep. That'll do. Huh? Maybe a little bit less. A little bit more. What do you say? Sure. Now this part is the worst part. Straighten this up here. I don't know how these uniballs still have anything left in them, but they do, and I'm very proud of them. Let's come back here. What's our malfunction here? Oh, I know what it is. Oh boy. Pry bar out here. So a little cutout needs to go around this bracket here, because see how thick this is, and that the notch here where the shaft goes through has to ride on that in this application. That's not normal. little bit more. That's because this Ultimate 60 has such beefy, like 1/4 inch brackets on it. Compared to the stock stuff, which this is designed for. Did we go too far? You let me go too far. You just told me to. Not so far, huh? There we go. Oh. My light shut off. I'm scared. Alright. So all the stars. Oh my gosh. Look at this. How we looking? Nope. I need a little bit of jacking. Oh yeah. See? Sometimes all you need is a little jacking. Make your head right. Yep. That'll do her. You got her doink now, bud. Oh, Jesus. Just incredible work here. Incredible. Holy, almost lost the chiclet. Click. That should hold, huh? Maybe a little tighter, I don't know. This bolt's a little too short. I don't want to crush nothing. Break the bolt. Yeah, we're pulling that bracket in a little bit. That's right. It's tight, it's right, huh? Look at there, fellers. Brand new spring. Don't mind that one, kind of ugly. Well, that wasn't so bad. Let's turn the lights back on in here. Ooh. All right. Jack it back up. Put the wheels back on her. And we're good as new, boys. I don't know why I was putting that off so long. Maybe it's because every time I work at my parents' house, I'm on an uneven driveway, and it's a mess. And I'm afraid this Jeep's gonna roll down and crush me. How's everything else looking? A little post-trip inspection. Perfect. Yep. Good. Guess I could have put some paint on that. Perfect, just the way I like it. Hopefully everything's still tight. Yep, that took a beating. Okay, perfect. Alright. On with the wheels. Oh, should probably jack it up first. Goofus. Big dummy head. How are we? Are we close? Can you see in there? I can't see in there. Can you see? Oh yeah. Oh, I'll tell you what. Not light. Hope you guys are enjoying this more than I am. But I'm trying to upload on a weekly schedule. So that means you're going to see some boring stuff like this. And this being my first little workshop video, want to make sure you guys are enjoying this because I want you guys to stick around, you know. It's very important to me. How many Ugga Duggas do you think torque these on? 2? 3 maybe? Just want you to know I'm going in a star pattern. The next Vex off-road video will be titled How My Wheel Came Off on Route 80 and Killed 3 People and nuns and a bus full of puppies and orphans. Thanks for not killing me. There we go. Oh yeah. How are we looking? Looking even? No more pimpling. That's good. How about here? What we got? To my wrist. Remember, always to measure once, cut twice. It's pretty close. I'll call that good. Thank you guys for sticking around for this episode. I really appreciate it. Like I said, you guys make it all worth it. So supportive. All the comments you guys give me. Nearly 5,000 views. Probably by the time this video goes up, I'll have 5,000 views on the video that I'm most proud of, which is our 5th day down in Sand Hollow. But this is a little bit different than what we're used to. It's what I'm most passionate about. I think wheeling takes second place to actually wrenching on this Jeep. It's what I have the most fun with. So I hope you guys enjoyed that as well. And stick around because we're going to have some more projects because I'm sure we'll break some more things. See you guys in the next one. Next off-road. Thank you. All that dinging you heard while I was working on this, apparently right around the corner, which is right where I live, there was a male who walked into the spa over there and said they had a detonator around their neck. So they called in all sorts of resources from all over the county. But pretty wild. Even here in New Jersey, you never know.